In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Aptos NFT step by step. So the first step is to go to topaz.so and you will gonna need to connect your wallet first. You can click here and you can choose NFTs wallets. But for this video, we're going to choose Martian and then click approve. And then now you can choose NFTs collections. So for example, we're going to choose Aptos monkeys, and you can also use the filter here if you want to sort it by price, rarity, and price range, and many more. And if you want to buy an NFT, you can click here and you can adjust the sweep floor and then click buy now, and make sure that you leave enough Aptos in your Martian wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fees. And as you can see, I don't have enough Aptos in my wallet, so I can't buy it. But once you click approve here, you can now buy the NFT. And if you have any questions about how to buy Aptos NFT, leave a comment below.